In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can launch your own meme coin and how to actually have this meme coin blow up so that you guys can make thousands of dollars like I have been doing for the past year. I'm basically just going to be going over how to find a good meme coin or a good idea to launch, how to actually advertise this meme coin so that you guys can get buys, and then lastly, how to actually make money when launching this meme coin. So with that being said, let's go into the first step, which is finding out what you want to make your meme coin. Alright guys, so there's two main websites you want to use when choosing the meta and the trend you kind of want to stick to when launching your coin. Now for me personally, I use Dex Screener and pump.fun, or BullX is actually better than Dex Screener, but if you guys don't have access to that, then Dex Screener will do. Now here's how I actually use these to find out what coin will work when launching my own coin. Now follow very closely. I'm going to show you guys how to actually find a good coin to launch. So what we're going to do is go to filtered by last trade and just have the animations on. And now what you're going to do is literally sit here maybe for 5 to 10 minutes and kind of wait for coins to pop up that you see that are doing well. So Yeezy Vance, I saw that coin. It looks like it's doing pretty well. So we know that there's obviously a Kanye, kind of sort of meta. And over time, you're gonna get used to coins like Just a Chill Guy coin. And basically this is a mix of Fart Coin, which I'll show here, and Just a Chill Guy making legendary fart guy. So as you guys sit here, just kind of wait. And also another good tip I have is if you want to reuse art like LFG, this guy is stealing art. Now I can literally just search up LFG, do creation time, and you will find a lot of other people using the same art. Let's say Kanye is the meta and you guys don't know how to make your own art, which I will show you later on in the video how to do. And you could easily steal people's art.
Oh, he's stealing cheese!
On Twitter. So I'm going to show you guys how. So now that we know Kanye West is the meta, what I'm going to be doing is Kanye West meme. Now it's obviously going to be showing his main meme coin, but there is also a few memes like this where it's really funny. It's just Kanye West doing some weird stuff. And basically you could scroll here and wait for Kanye West or try and find Kanye West memes, but it may be pretty difficult. Now sometimes you'll get lucky and you'll actually find memes here which are pretty funny. So as you guys can see, Kanye West himself posted this meme right here, Captain America Civil War Marvel, and basically him posting this is a meme that you guys could use. So if I wanted, I could screenshot it like this, then I can come over here and copy this and then put it into the meme coin. And if I see this early on, then the coin will literally blow up. So if you see Kanye post a meme like this and you upload it right away, then it will blow up. Well, a good kind of play would be mixing two memes together, and usually this is really good for the coins. So let's say Kanye West is kind of blowing up right now and I haven't seen anyone do Kanye West Pepe. Well, then I could literally make my own art, and I'm going to show you guys how to make your own art right now. So a lot of people use Photoshop, but for this video, since I know you guys might not have it, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use Photopea. Photopea is literally a free Photoshop. This thing is legendary. When you have Photopea open, press new project and pay attention. I'm going to run through this fast. Make it 500 by 500. That's the best 4 meme coins. Then second thing you're going to search up is Pepe meme. So we found Pepe here. This is just a basic meme. And then we could find Kanye. It's PNG. So PNG helps a lot, especially when you're doing something like this. So this could be perfect right here. Drag it over here. Then I'm going to drag this meme over here. And I'm just showing you guys how to make your own art very easily. So I'm just going to go like this. Now this button right here selects all of the color that are in that area. So if I go like this and I'm trying to select this little gray line right here. So I'm going to be drawing Kanye's face onto Pepe. Now obviously you guys could also search up Kanye Pepe if you don't want to make your own art, and you could easily find it like this. So someone already obviously made Kanye Pepe. As we could see, we could just drag it in here, delete these two, and this would sort of be the final result if I were to make Kanye into Pepe. As you can see, it is pretty good art. And then we're gonna come here, use the eraser, make sure it looks all clean. So we have the meta, we have another meta combined with it to make the meme coin. Therefore people will buy it because they know Kanye, they know Pepe, and also this has been going around with other coins. So it is very popular to make famous coins into Pepe. Alright guys, so the final part, launching the coin, getting buys, and actually making money by launching your own coin. So for this example, I'm going to be using a little bit of Solana just so it's more realistic, but obviously if you guys have more money to use, then that would be great. Now, when you are launching your coin, you're going to be using pump.fun. Now, for the name, ticker, description, you're going to head over to Deck Screener and use all these coins that are trending as examples. Now, obviously, if I scroll here, I'll find a few coins. So we can see cat with hat. It's EQUIENT. And basically, you're using these coins to knowledge up yourself and, see how people name coins. So right now, Pepe Meta, you usually put Pepe. So it would be Kanye Pepe. So you're gonna put Kanye Pepe, and now I'm gonna try and combine these names together. So I could do Yepe, which would be Kanye Pepe, and I would just put it here, and then I could do Kanye Pepe. Downloads, and we have our Yepe right here, ready to go, and it's 500 by 500. Looks good. Is a little bigger, so I would make the head a little smaller usually, and make sure the art's smaller. Now as we put 0.4, that's how much supply we're gonna get right here. So I'm only gonna get 1% with 0.4 Solana, but obviously if we use 1, we'll get 3.4%. So this is 34 million of the coin, which is 3.4% of the total coin. Usually you're gonna wanna stick to around 1.5, I would recommend, if you're gonna be selling it right away. But for this example, I'm using a smaller amount, which is 0.4. So now the trade is going through. I'm gonna press confirm right here, and then there's gonna be an option to view coin right here. You're gonna press on that and just wait for the coin to load. It may take a bit, obviously. And now you're gonna look over here. People have already bought my coin, and I'm already up almost 0.1 Solana, which is around $14, $13 currently. So I could either place trade like so, sell for the profit. So let's see if I can get it on time. If you have better Wi-Fi, it's usually better. But as you can see, boom, we sold. We almost made 0.1 Solana, which is $14 or $13. Now the reason I was able to make this money is because snipers. So as you guys can see, these dudes all bought, these two bought, and then I obviously finally sold for a 0.1 Solana profit almost. Now here's step 2 of actually how to run your coins. So now that we sold the developer wallet, which is almost always usual for meme coins, what you're gonna wanna do is either use Phantom or some sort of trading bot and buy your coin, but buy it on a different wallet. Now, if you guys check out my Discord, I show you how to bundle the coin instantly after you sell the dev wallet, but that's only for premium members because it is actually what I use to bundle coins and make thousands of dollars. Now you're gonna head over to Telegram. Telegram is the main thing for trading meme coins, and you're gonna use Rebump to pump your coin. Now this is the #1 thing to advertise your coin, and I'll show you guys exactly why in 1 second. But I'm gonna come here, press migrate, put my coin over here. Now usually you press /menu in this, press enter, and then you pay as you go, and then you send money to the wallet, but I already have a wallet ready. So now I'm just gonna press start, and basically what this bot does to advertise my coin, if we come over here, select this off, it buys and sells instantly. Now what this is doing is making my coin show up on the front page over and over for people to see, and this might actually entice people to buy the coin. Now here's the second way you guys can get more people to actually buy your coin, is actually making a Twitter and a Telegram. Now the thing with this is that you guys can actually add it to the thread right here. For example, made a Telegram, I would be like Telegram, and then I'll put the name of the Telegram. So it would be, in this example, Yepe. And then if I made a Twitter, then it would be the same thing. Twitter is, Yepe Sol, or, Yepe on Solana. But usually if your coin actually is original and trending, people will buy. Now I already showed you guys how to easily make money off of the dev. When you launch and sell instantly, you're always gonna make money, and this is almost guaranteed. But in my Discord, I actually show how to advertise your coins to the next level. I've actually had multiple coins go to 1 million market cap plus. So if you want to learn how to do that whilst owning 20 to 30% of supply, make sure you guys join my Discord down below. I'll see you guys and have a good day.